Okay, today we're going to be ordering and comparing numbers. We're moving through our place value. We've got our place value sorted, so now we can do something with it. So we're going to write in ascending order. Remember, ascending means from small to big. If you ascend a mountain, you go up the mountain. So when we do this, it can help to just write in our place value columns. So I've got tens and ones here. Because when we order and compare numbers, we start by looking at the largest place value column. And at the moment, the largest column we have is the tens column. So I'm going to look at my tens columns. And I'm looking for the smallest digit in the tens column because I'm starting with the smallest number. So I can see here, I've got the number 21. It's only got 2 tens, less than 3 tens, less than 9 tens. So that's my smallest number. Well, next, I can see I've got these two numbers that both have 3 tens. So that doesn't help me because at the moment they're the same. So I need to go to the next column, which is the ones column. You can see here I've got 4 ones, 0 ones. So 30 must be smaller than 34, which leaves 99 at the end. And I can see very clearly that's the biggest number because it's got the 9 tens, whereas these two only have 3 tens. So now it's your go. Again, ascending order, remember from smallest to biggest, using these numbers here. Pause the video, unpause when you're ready. Okay, let's put them in order. I'm just going to put in my tens and ones again. Always really helpful just to write in little notes for yourself. That's what really good mathematicians do. They're constantly noting down things to help themselves. So start with my tens column. Well, I can see 3 tens. That's the smallest number of tens, so that must be my smallest number. Then I've got these two numbers that both have 5 tens. So I need to look at the ones column now. Well, 3 ones is less than 4 ones, so 53 is smaller than 54, which leaves 98 as the biggest number. Again, I could tell that straight away because it's got 9 tens, which is more tens than any of the other numbers. Okay, so we've just ordered numbers. Now we're going to compare them. So I can use these inequality signs, less than, greater than, equals to signs, to help me to compare numbers. So 46 and 83, well, again, let's put in my tens and ones. I can see very clearly 8 tens is greater than 4 tens. So 83 must be greater than 46. And I always try to remember when I'm doing these signs, the bigger end points to the bigger number. Now here we've got a bit of a problem because I've got one number on this side, but I've got a little number sentence on this side. So before we can compare these two sides, we need to work out what is 45 at 20. Well, 45, 55, 65. And then I can see, oh, well, look, actually, these two sides are exactly the same. The whole on this side is 65. The whole on this side is 65. So they're the same. What about this one again? Well, I need to work out this whole. 32 add 7. 2 add 7 is 9. So I get 39. And then I can see again, 39 is larger than 35. So again, the bigger side is pointing to the bigger number. So your turn, pause the video, fill in the gaps using the inequality symbols up here. Don't forget here and here, work out first of all, what's the whole on this side, what's the whole on this side, then you can compare the numbers. Pause the video, unpause when you're ready for the answers. Okay, well, you can see straight away 23 is larger than 21. It's got more ones. If we add these up, then we get 53, which is smaller than 55. And then over here, we've got 22 add 20 gives me 42 and 42. So these two are equal. So that's it for today. Go back to the independent task. Have a really good go at the questions. And don't forget to mark your work and send a photo to your teacher on Class Dojo to pick up some extra Class Dojo points.